Come test drive the 2008 GMC Sierra Denali. The Sierra Denali is GMC's offer into the full-size truck line for drivers. This truck is offered in either rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive models. The Sierra excels at driving dynamics, body style, and fit, and a quite comfortable cabin, and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.